taking a road trip, and there's the arch. We're taking 55 all the way up to just outside of Chicago. We're going to Naperville for the weekend. Oh, the arch is switching sides. So anyway, Naperville has a chocolate walk. We've never been there. Have you ever been to Naperville, honey?
No, I've never been there. I've never actually been to Chicago either. I've been to Gary, Indiana, and I've been north of Chicago, but I've never went into Chicago.
Okay. I've been to Chicago lots of times just because the town I grew up in, we did all our field trips into Chicago. But this is Naperville, outside of Chicago, and anyway, that's where we're heading. We just have to get past the downtown St. Louis. There's the arch right there. Doesn't that look good? I love the arch. And then, what was that?
That was a piece of cardboard.
All the bridges.
Pulled through out of his truck.
Anyway, here we go. So yeah, it's about a 5-hour drive, and we're staying 2 nights in an older hotel on the river. Like, I don't know, I say the river. I don't know, a river. It's called the Riverwalk. I was hoping that we would be able to walk a lot this weekend, but it's supposed to be cold, like freezing cold, like 20 degrees, which I don't mind walking in like 40-degree weather, but when it's below freezing, that's a bit cold. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I mean, we're doing the chocolate walk for sure, but we'll be inside businesses a lot, so I don't think that would be too bad, but I'm just bummed that I doubt we get to walk along the river. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We did bring our coats.
The direct opposite of the San Antonio Riverwalk, I think.
Yeah, it's not.
We were dying of heat exhaustion down there.
It's not the Riverwalk. I just love that name. It sounds cool. So yeah, we did a Riverwalk in San Antonio. It was a blast.
It's awesome.
The weather was perfect. Now here's another Riverwalk, but it's 20 degrees. So I don't know. And they might have snow because my cousin lives in Illinois and she still has a lot of snow. So I don't know. We'll see what it's like. But yep, we're in Illinois now. Here we go. Since I'm boycotting McDonald's on vacation, we stopped at KFC in Pekin. So I like KFC. I used to actually work at KFC as a teenager, so yep, pretty good. Alright, we are in our hotel. This is Hotel Indigo. Check-in was really easy. I'll do a video of the lobby later because it was so pretty. This bathroom is huge. No bath for me, that's fine. But this room is so huge. Look at this wooden floor. This room is so nice. So this is like an older hotel that was revamped. I love it. It is a lot nicer than I was expecting. And they gave us bottled water when we checked in because we're members of something.
IHG.
IHG. This is an IHG hotel. So, and then there's a river walk here, and so we have a room of the river, a view of the river.
Wow.
I just wish it wasn't so cold. So cold. Look at that ice.
That's a neat view.
Well, it's like, the problem is it's like 14 degrees. I wish it was like 40 or 50 or 60. Oh, honey, do you see? They put caution tape down so people won't walk down that slicey,
oh my God,
icy path. Oh my God.
Icy path
I can't
where they end
speak.
up in the water.
Hey, look, there's an Eddie Bauer shop over there. Well, that's different. So over there, right here, I think is like where the chocolate walk is going to be tomorrow.
They have heavy sweatshirts like that.
Oh my God, there's a pottery barn.
Oh my God.
There's like, wow.
That's pretty weird.
That's pretty cool. So, oh my goodness. I wish the weather, we're gonna have so much nicer.
This is actually very
We'll have to
pretty.
remember this when the weather is nicer. We'll see what other festivals they have in Naperville because this room is awfully nice. And that river walk is so pretty. I just wish it wasn't so cold so we could enjoy it. And look at that door for the bathroom. Isn't that awesome? That is so cool. Alright, this is the walkway attached to the hotel, to the elevators. Look, they still have Christmas lights right there. Aren't those pretty? And so pretty. So I'm really impressed by this hotel. Did I mention that? Alright, we're gonna actually go to the mall and then find something to eat. There's a restaurant here. I think we'll save that for tomorrow night. your Tesla. You can park it right there. We're eating in the restaurant in the hotel. It is so dark. I'm not gonna see anything. This is Lobster Biz. This is like a bar/hotel.
Oh, the vile weed is on top.
This is crispy pork belly. Robert will have to take off the broccoli. I don't eat broccoli. And then what's in the middle that looks like rice? Oh my god, that looks so good. So these are shareable plates, so we're gonna share the crispy pork belly.
Love the pork belly.
Alright, it is rice, and this is so good. Of course, you can never go wrong with pork belly. Alright, this is a chicken dumpling dish. It's interesting. Alright, this is the black squid ink right here. And then there's scallops. What else did he say? Scallops, squid, I don't know, lobster, some seafood delight, crabs, shrimp, broiled shrimp, coconut shrimp,
Fried shrimp.
Wait, is that jalapeno right there? I'm eating that jalapeno.
Shrimp etouffee.
Alright, this is our dessert. It's a plum and pear salad. It's a weird dessert choice, but we're going to be eating tons of chocolate tomorrow, so I wanted to try this. Alright, we're walking back to our room. The restaurant was on floor 5, we're on floor 3. Oh my god, that restaurant was so good. So good. But it was dark, so my video is terrible. But that restaurant was well worth it. Robert, what did you think?
It was wonderful.
It was wonderful.
Stuff I've never had.
It was so nice. Pork belly. Oh my god. So good. So there was like, we did sharing plates. And so there's a pork belly plate. I'm just explaining it because it was so dark in there. There was a pork belly plate, and then we did a chicken dumpling plate, and then, oh my god, I already forgot. Oh, and the squid ink pasta plate. And then for dessert, we had one of the appetizers, which is a plum and pear salad, and it was so good. I mean, they actually had a dessert menu. They had a chocolate cake. They had sorbet, which who doesn't want sorbet in like 17-degree weather? And then, oh my god, there was like there was a loud table behind us of a group of 8, and then there was a group of 4 right next to us, and they were not leaving anytime soon. Like, just having a great time, talking, so loud. But you know what? I didn't mind it. I enjoyed it. I eavesdropped. Their life is boring. Wasn't that exciting, but
Yeah, it was very boring. They were talking about mundane stuff, and they kept talking about the Ritz-Carlton.
They were retired,
I don't
and
care about the Ritz-Carlton because
they have boring, retired lives.
I'm not going to spend that kind of money for something like that.
So anyway, it was such a good restaurant. So what's the name of the restaurant, honey?
I don't know.
Well, if you ever stay, this is
You
the...
have a receipt. It's got the name on it.
I know, but I was just trying to... I'm doing my video right now.
I don't know.
We're staying at the Indigo Hotel, and whatever restaurant is on level 5, it is so good. I highly recommend it. Robert's looking in my purse. Girl code, Robert. You're not supposed to go
I don't care.
into your wife's purse. Oh my god.
I'm looking for it, so I must. Santo Cielo.
Okay. Santo Cielo. Santo Celio? Celio? Oh my god.
Santa Claus.
How much do you think that dinner was? Just a
Yeah.
guess. Just a guess. If you guessed $131 before tip,
At 20% of that.
oh my god, we actually tipped very well, so she's definitely getting 20%, probably even more. She was awesome. Oh, this is funny. Suggested tips. Remember when it used to be like 10%, 18%, and 20%? Now suggested tip is 20%, 22%, and 25%. Since when did they start doing that? But our waitress was super nice, and I definitely recommend this restaurant. And what can we say? We spend way too much money on food, but we work hard, so why not? So yeah, and guess what? It's Friday night. We're in our room looking at the Riverwalk, and what are we gonna do? We're gonna watch live PD. Oh yes, live PD in a hotel room.
What's better than that? Okay, technically, just an add-on, we would prefer to walk around in this beautiful river walk behind us, but we're in Naperville and it's 11 degrees right now. Way too cold. So now we're just gonna hang out in our awesome hotel room and watch TV, and I brought my laptop, so I need to do a little work before Sunday, and tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. So I'm gonna get some work done and watch live PD and just enjoy this really nice hotel room without cat hair. That's the one thing I like about hotel rooms. There's no cat hair, unlike my house. Lots of cat hair at my house.